What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, the place where you come to increase your income, your impact, or your influence. In today's video, we're going to talk about music. Now, if you're like me, music plays a huge role in your life. I love music. Fun fact that you may not know is I actually wanted to go to school for sound production and music engineering. I use music for motivation. I also use music to help me when I'm studying or working or even trying to calm down. Now, you've probably listened to music at some point today, maybe even during this video or before this video. But what you probably didn't know is that you can actually get paid while listening to music. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different websites that you can use to actually get paid while you listen to music. Now, you're not going to become a multi-millionaire doing this, but while you're listening to music, why not get paid? And we're not talking about boring classical music, we're talking about music that you actually like. Now, before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and make sure that you hit the notification bell. That way YouTube notifies you every single day when I put out a new video showing you a new strategy to make money online. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive onto my laptop, and I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can use to make money while listening to music. Now, you don't want to go anywhere because at the end, I'm actually going to show you my personal favorite and the one that has the biggest opportunity to make the most cash. All right, guys, so we're inside my computer, and the first website that I want to show you guys is called Slice the Pie. Now, here you can see get paid for your opinion. It's simple. We help people make decisions. So if you scroll down here, it says that Slice Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet and that you can earn cash for every review that you leave. So this is super simple, guys. We're not going to walk through signing up and setting up because that's pretty self-explanatory. Just follow the instructions on the computer. The beautiful thing, guys, about these strategies that I'm going to share with you is you can do this from pretty much anywhere in the world from the comfort of your home during your spare time. We've had a lot of recent comments where people said, could you show us how to make money if we live outside the US? So I read your guys' comments, I heard your guys' feedback, and that's why I'm sharing this strategy. So make sure that you guys leave a comment down below with other videos that you want to hear. That way I can continue to make videos that are going to help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence. So if we scroll down to the bottom, it's pretty simple. You just click the sign up now button and go ahead and fill out the form and follow what the website tells you. Here you can see that there's been over 47 million reviews submitted and over $5,701,000 earned on Slice the Pie. So this is very simple. You're gonna sign up, you're gonna listen to music, you're gonna review music, and you're gonna get paid for it. Now, the second website is called Current. Now, Current is a newer website, but I've heard a lot of great things about Current. And again, this is pretty simple to get up and started. You literally just go to current.us. You're gonna go ahead and click sign up now, and then you're gonna follow the website in reference to getting set up with your account. Now, I've saved the best for last. This is my personal favorite and the one that has the biggest earning potential, but it does require a little bit of effort, right? And there's this old saying that nothing worth having is not worth working for, right? So it does require a little bit more effort, a little bit more time. This has the biggest earning potential. Now, this website is called Playlist Push. So you can go to playlistpush.com and you want to make sure that you click on 4 curators, right? 4 artists would simply be if you're the artist making the music. So we want to get paid for listening to music, so we would click on 4 curators. Down below where it says get paid to review songs, you can see that they're paying upwards to $12 per song. So when you become qualified and you have a playlist, you can make upwards of $12 per song. Now, here's the catch. In order to qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Now, out of the 3, my personal opinion is Spotify has the largest audience and is gonna be the quickest source for you to get up and running. Now, before you say to yourself, Josh, how am I gonna get a Spotify playlist? How am I gonna get my first couple hundred Spotify followers? Rest assured, I'm gonna show you some cutting edge strategies that are gonna help you do just that. So strategy number 1 is going to be going to Reddit. Now, if you watch any of the other videos where we're talking about affiliate marketing or gaining traffic, Reddit is a fantastic place to promote your service, your product, and pretty much anything, right? The beautiful thing is it's free to sign up to Reddit, it's free to post, and it's free to use. So here you can see we simply went to Reddit and we went and typed in Spotify playlist. So you can literally go to reddit.com/r/Spotify playlist, or you can just type in Reddit Spotify playlist in Google and you should be able to find it pretty easy as well. Now here you can see that there's a bunch of different Reddits and subreddits going on. So you would participate in these subreddits and you would go ahead and drop the link to your playlist. Now you want to make sure that the playlist is relevant and that it is within the same genre, meaning if someone's talking about Tekashi 69, you don't want to go drop a playlist on Mozart, right? So make sure that the genres are relevant and make sure that you participate and add some type of value or engage and add your opinion. I see so many people make the mistake by just going in these different blogs, these different forums, and just spamming links. That does not work because you just look like a bot, and let's face it, everyone hates bots. So make sure you go in there and post your opinion, post some type of value, and then go ahead and drop your link and watch how you start to gain followers. Now, another strategy that you can use, and I'm throwing this in there because I don't want to exclude beginners or intermediate entrepreneurs, is to use SEO. Now, if you don't know what SEO is, SEO stands for search engine optimization. Again, this will take some time, this will take some effort, and if you have an SEO background or are willing to do the research, you can get started for little to no money. Here you can see in Google, we've simply typed in top Spotify playlists for 2020, and here you can see all these websites, right? One of them is going to be the top playlist. So you can literally build a website on WordPress or any other website builder, and you can start to do search engine optimization. And the good thing about SEO is once you build the site and it starts to rank inside of Google, it's not going anywhere. The downfall is it does take some time, and SEO is boring if you're not passionate about it. You can definitely learn how to build a WordPress site and learn basic SEO on YouTube or across the web. But if you know how to use SEO or you already have sites that are ranking, this is something that you may want to consider. Now, another strategy that you can do is you can go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is pretty much a broad website where you can go and hire freelancers to do pretty much anything. And the beautiful thing is the majority of these gigs start out at just $5 USD. So here you can see there's literally tons of different gigs, right? Now, what I like to do to make sure that we're not getting irrelevant jobs is make sure that you click on service options. Go ahead and click on Spotify since we're looking for Spotify gigs, not iTunes or anything like that. And then on the top right-hand corner where it says sort by, you can sort by best-selling, newest arrivals, or relevancy. So what I like to do is go ahead and go to Bestsellers. This is usually going to be a popular gig where people are getting good results. So here you can see the top few are, I will promote your Spotify music and make it viral. I will do organic Spotify promotion to the United States users, and I will do viral organic Spotify music promotion of your song. So this is a good starting point to go ahead and grow your Spotify playlist and to grow your followers. If you actually type in Spotify followers, there are a few gigs that will actually get you Spotify followers. So if you don't mind investing a little bit of money, you can go ahead and get your followers for Spotify in a matter of days. Now, you want to do your due diligence as always, and you want to make sure that this falls within Spotify's terms of services. I'm not going to say that majority of these tactics are 100% compliant, but they are effective. So make sure, as always, do your due diligence and make sure that you are following the compliance and terms of services.